All right, so getting ready for youth season, I'm gonna throw together some quick shooting sticks, but the purpose of this video is to show you a woodworking quick tip, and this is how we do it. So let's look down here. I need to affix this board to this to create the proper angle on this shooting stick. So in order to do that, without any clamps, it's very simple. First thing you wanna do is take some 2P10 activator. You can also use isopropyl alcohol if you don't have any of this, or you can use some baking soda in a pinch, but the activator is much better and much faster, much cleaner work. So after you've done that, take a little bit of wood glue. Now this happens to be waterproof. It doesn't matter the type of wood glue you use. And what I want to do, I just want to get some around a section like that, kind of make a square. Take the piece of wood. All right, let's see if I can get this off. And this happens to be the thick, just because it works better with the porous nature of this wood. I'm gonna have to get my hand around here like this so you can see. So right in the center, you see that? And what we'll do, we'll take that glob and we're gonna put it in the center of the wood glue. CA glue is brittle and will not stand up to the stress that my shooting stick might have. Because of the activator, in 10 seconds this will be set and will serve as the clamp for our wood glue. And I'll be able to let go of this. Just like that. Now it's good, it's not going anywhere, and the wood glue that has mashed in will set up over time, and that'll be a very strong joint. Thanks for watching.